Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time here, I'm Asma, but it's like, hey, sprinkles. Please don't leave here without liking, sharing, commenting. Do everything you can to support your girl. Share the link to your friends, family, and please turn on that notification so that you notify every time I drop. So guys, today it is a Friday and it's currently 9:30. I just woke up. Yeah, I have to go clean the house, wash dishes, wash my clothes, and then go back. After that, I'm just gonna wash tea because I don't have anything to do today. I'm just gonna do my house chores, then watch TV the whole day and sleep. By the way, at my auntie's house. I'm here to visit him for a weekend. So yeah, let me go do my house chores. Then yeah, I also have to do like a skin routine. My skin is not skin anymore, so yeah, that's it for today. And tomorrow is a college day at my school. I've never attended like something like a college day, but then I'll see tomorrow what's gonna happen. I really have no idea what's gonna happen. All I know is that I'm gonna buy a kid. It's like coming something new because they just opened a school. Yeah, they wanna make us feel comfortable and feel appreciated, all that and stuff. So let me go do my house chores, then I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure, but yeah, today I don't really like feel like taking contents, all that and stuff, like because I'm so lazy. I'm so freaking lazy to take contents. Yeah, but then I'll keep on updating you guys. What's going to happen from now on? But for today, I'm done. I just gonna have to clean the house, wash dishes, do my skin routine, bath, and wash my clothes because I think tomorrow I'll go to school. Yeah, today I didn't go to school. Yeah, so I'll probably go to school tomorrow. And this week I'm writing, so I really don't think I'm writing finals. I'm writing finals, so I don't think I'll be able to take content as much as I used to because I used to study, guys. I have to study. So I'll say, guys, when I see you, I'm sorry, you guys, like in the cute when you explain. I mean, I just woke up, guys, and another day, so not already. I did like a 10 out of 10 nothing. I see, guys, when I get time to walk again.
If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We.
High volume. I sounded too desperate.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See.
Hi guys, so I just made an iced coffee for me and my friend. That time she's not even cheating, but I got you, girl. I got you. So I didn't really show you guys how I did it like from the scratch. Yeah, because I was trying to do this other video for TikTok and stuff, but I'm gonna show you guys when I have time. Yeah, I don't even know if it's supposed to look like this or but I tried, guys, for the very first time. I saw a video. I've never seen it before. I've never done it before. So I saw a video, and then I tried to do it on my own. Yeah, guys, ish. I'm gonna show you guys that but so this one is for my friend, and this one is for me. So I've already tried it, and I've already tried it today, and I really don't know how to feel about it. I just feel like it's a normal coffee. Yeah? The difference is this one is cold in my eyes. I think that's the difference, honestly. Yeah. Unless you mean they're wrong, then I don't know. So right now it's around 7:30, if I'm not mistaken. I'm here to let you guys know that. So by me to eat noodles. I don't know how to pronounce this name, guys. Noodles. I'm really good. I'm not even pretending. So I asked it is in Jesus to do it. And then everyone who knows me knows that I love receive milk in my home. Freaking hurts. Also, it's flavor. Yeah, flavor. So, this one.
Girl, your looks could commit murder. My girl, can't nothing hurt us now. None of my niggas know. Ain't none of my niggas know.
I know I'm so dramatic for this, yeah. I know that I'm dramatic. But guys, I don't know about me, no matter how small the thing is, the gift is, I appreciate the fact that you thought about me receiving it. I really appreciate it, to be honest. For the fact that you thought of me, I don't know how to fall my hands. Like, I really don't know, because those so unexpected. Life, I really don't expect.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you silence is so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed you, I needed you. Needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having the best on take you take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having the best on take you please be done. Just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be done. Just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you the perfect one. And when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. A trophy. I won me a trophy. A trophy. I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you're the perfect one.
I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against Millie, nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up with around me, nigga.
Take you farther than Mexico. Yeah. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you, shorty.